Okay, somebody watched my zippo trick squeeze tutorial and asked me can I talk about more on my zippo. Actually guys, this is not an original zippo, this is just an imitation zippo. Has a brand name Kantai. I don't know if you can read that, but this is not a genuine zippo. The, you can tell it is not genuine with this cover here that doesn't go. I mean, it kinda have a basta doesn't go with the body. The cover doesn't go with the body, right? And with the cover opened, the original Sipo cover just go with like this, and this one goes all the way through like that. So I'm having trouble on on shuffling my Sipo with my fingers because I can't grab it very well. So that's the my Sipo problem. By the way, why do I use fake Sipo? Because I practice with these things, but because imitation one is cheaper. So even if I broke this or destroy this, I really don't care because it's cheap. I have my own Sipo collection, but I can't show it to you right now because I don't know where I put it. I think I have 12 Sipo, original Sipo lighters, and I've stopped playing with them since last year, so I don't know where did I put them. Actually, this lighter won't light. It has no gas. This is my practice lighter. I just love to play with it. Ah! See what I mean? Even if I drop this, I really don't care because it's cheap. Don't close. Oh dear. Another trick that I've learned by just practicing is this one. Another shell. Hmm. Hmm. Yun lang. Thanks for watching.